Morning class. Today's video we're going to go over the Chunk Test 10 review. Make sure to go ahead and work out this review before you watch the rest of the videos, and this is your practice for your chunk test, which is going to be tomorrow. There is one question I did want to address because you've seen nothing like this on number 9A and 9B. What you need to know is whenever something is being raised to the 1/2 power, that is the same thing as square root. So this, we should probably just rewrite this as square root of 25, and this, we should write this as square root of a to the 4th and b to the 6th. I want you to try those, think about them, and then we'll go over those when we get to that question. Another one that was a little bit different, if you go down to number 3, it says which expression is equivalent. You should see that you can factor both of these, so make sure you factor the top and then the bottom, and then you'll come up with your answer. Alright? Now, once you've worked out all the problems, we'll go through each problem step by step. So push pause on the video until you've worked out all the problems, all right? Push pause now. All right, so the first one says simplify the following expression, put your answer in simplest form. We have W plus 3W over 4 minus 5W over 12. But you notice all of our answers are in fractions, so we'll just go ahead and work with the fractions that we were given. Now, we should remember how to get a common denominator. Well, first ask yourself, does the lower one go into the bigger one? And 4 does go into 12. 12 is a multiple of 4. 4 times 3 is 12, right? So multiply by 3 on the top. And so we can rewrite this as W plus 9W over 12 minus 5W over 12. Now, let's work with the fractions first. 9 minus 5 is 4. So we have 4W over 12 plus this W. We can simplify this one down. We can divide both of those by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3, so we get W plus 1W over 3, right? Now, none of our answers look like that. So what we need to do is make this into the common denominators as well. So over 3, this is 1 whole, right? So to make it over 3, we would have to multiply the top by 3. 3 times 1 is 3, so 3W over 3 plus 1W over 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4W over 3. There's a couple of different ways you could have done that. This is just the way that I think makes the most sense. Now, on the second one, it says which expression is equivalent to 2x plus 3 times 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. What you're going to have to do here is FOIL. You're going to have to multiply the first term times everything over there and the second term times everything over there. So let's start with 2x times 3x squared. 2 times 3 is 6. X to the first times x squared is x to the third. Then we've got 2x times negative 2x. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. X to the first times x to the first. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's x squared. Then we've got 2x times positive 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And we have 1x left over, so that gets an x. We've multiplied everything in the first term. Boom. Now we got to do the same thing with a 3. So 3 times 3x squared. 3 times 3 is 9. So it's positive 9x squared. 3 times negative 2x is negative 6x. 3 times positive 5 is positive 15. Once you have all of your terms written out, you've multiplied everything, all you have to do is combine like terms. So we only have one x to the third, that's 6x to the third, so it's going to stay 6x to the third. I have a negative 4x squared and a positive 9x squared. Negative 4 plus 9 will give me positive 5. Now, I have a positive 10x and a negative 6x. I'm just going through all my like terms. 10 plus negative 6 is positive 4. Then I have plus 15 at the end. There's nothing to combine it. Plus 15, so it's going to match up with answer C. I'm going to push pause on the video right now. I'll continue on the next video so they don't get too long.